This truffle mayo is literally the best truffle. Chris Traeger, Parks and Rec. Literally the best truffle mayo I've had in my life. Amazing. All right, guys, now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead to location. So I can honestly say that my favorite sunset thus far in my life has been the last day I was in Italy with my family. We were in Rome, some random hotel, and we realized that the beach was 5 minutes walking distance, and I saw the most beautiful sunset in my life. We got ice cream, we got dinner on the water, sat on the beach and watched the sunset over the Mediterranean. I've never seen a sunset that has topped that so far in my life. I'm so grateful to have experienced that, and I will never forget that moment. It wasn't on my phone, I was present. I was only 16 years old, but I will always remember that sunset. And I just sat there. We just took it in. I took it in completely. Comment below if you guys have ever witnessed a sunset that you'll never forget. I don't care where it was, how old you were. If there's a sunset that you guys remember that you'll never forget, I want to hear about it. All right, we are almost at location right now, but we are starving. It's almost at sunset, so we're just gonna make it. Probably gonna get the food to go, but we are gonna try out this place called Sprout and Lentil in Middletown? Is Middletown right now? Okay, get some food. Like, you know when you're so hungry that like your stomach is just eating itself, and it's like, it's just gonna be like, I'm so hungry. We are literally just gonna make it for sunset, but I'm ready for some banger shots. Look at this, guys. That's what it's all about. Windy, but it's beautiful. We could not have timed that more perfectly. And now it's time to eat. My eyelids are like salty. I taste salt in my mouth from the ocean, but it's all worth it, guys. It's all worth it. This truffle mayo is literally the best truffle. Chris Traeger, Parks and Rec. Literally the best truffle mayo I've had in my life. Amazing. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to smack the like button. It does mean a lot to me and it helps out the channel. Subscribe if you aren't already, and comment below if you noticed anything different about the frame I'm in right now. If anything changed, anything at all. See if you guys can tell. I'll see you in the next one.